Hello everyone, so welcome back to my channel and I hope you are doing well. In this tutorial video, I will make the heart-shaped letter logo design. So let's start the video. First of all, we draw the line. And increase the stroke up to the 300. Use Ctrl C to copy this shape and press Ctrl S to paste in front. Then select both and rotate them. Hold Alt key to delete from the shape by using the shaper tool. Hold Shift and Alt key to make it bigger. Hold Alt key and drag it to make a copy, then press Ctrl D to repeat the step. Select these lines and press Ctrl C to copy them and press Ctrl F to paste in front. Then rotate them. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like this video then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get notification from my upcoming videos, as well as follow me on Instagram, TikTok and Facebook, and I will be right back with another amazing video, and I hope that you will enjoy this video.